Everyone is so friendly in the ISPE organization.
It's very exciting to be here.
ISPE is a very good place to start.
Well, what I've enjoyed most about being a young professional in the ISPE is meeting other young professionals.
There are so many opportunities that ISPE offers.
People who I couldn't have imagined meeting, not only my fellow young professionals, but actually leaders in industry.
Joining the ISPE as a young professional, it definitely broadens your horizons to the different fields that are out there.
Much like all of the other ISPE events, is just about making connections and meeting people.
They have plenty of networking opportunities at every single meeting that they hold.
The educational sessions are really inspirational.
Expecting to learn a lot of things, like for example, there'll be a GMP basics for young professionals. I can't wait for that.
I have a great opportunity to see these people as like the image of what I want to be, and just working in an innovative industry such as this one is very exciting.